Gosh, looks like we're bored here. Yeah, nothing to do. I wish they will come back soon. At least we got some visitors here. Oh no, we got only 10 minutes left before they will arrive back home. Go! Alright, let's do this. Wow, you're a great and great box fan. Thanks. Dang it, dude, dang it. We have to clean it up now. Oh man, we're too late.
What in the world is this mess? You better clean that up now.
We're totally screwed, guys.